My new flashlight just arrived, and I'm going to show it to you just like I'm taking out of the box. We live on a farm in the middle of Missouri, and at nighttime, you want to see what's going on out there. You got to tell whether it's a possum, or a raccoon, or some deer, or possible and a half shell, which is the armadillos, and this is supposed to do the trick. This is my new flashlight. The nice thing about this one is if I happen to drop it when I'm out there, if it's raining or I get near the creek, I'll be able to, it's fine, it's not going to break. Okay, it's got a really good little user manual here. Let's check and see what they tell me inside. All right, got the product specs. It's supposed to have in the package the flashlight, charging cable, a battery, and an instruction manual. Well, this is the instruction manual. Okay then, flashlight. There's charging and battery. All right then. Okay, so now, all right, press the power switch to enter the lighting mode. No. Let's just see what we've got here. Boy, I'll tell you what, that looks like a pretty good heavy duty one. I'm hoping that it's really light and bright. Let's undo it here. Okay. This looks like it should go in this way. See, it's got the curly Q here, and that's usually, whoops, on the back. Trust me to do that. All right, so I'm going to put this down inside in here. All right. And screw it closed. Okay, now the other thing I've noticed, okay, this is a charging, so I can charge it actually on my computer. So that's USB cable. It's going to go right here, but for right now, let's just turn that around, close it. Ta-da! Okay, here comes the moment of truth. Nope. So, I must have put the battery in backwards. Let's undo it. Like I said, you're seeing it as I see. Put it in the other way and see what we get. You have to kind of hold it together pretty good so it doesn't jump around on you. Well, easier said than done. Hang on, I'm getting it. You know what? It's kind of, you have to be kind of strong to do this part. Okay, line up the threads and hold it tight together. Okay, got it. Yeehaw. Thank goodness I don't change the barrier. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? Yeah! It's amazing what happens when you put it in the right way. Oh my gosh. Hey, that's really good and bright. Let's see if I can see the dog. Where you at, babe? Come here. Come here. She goes, what the heck are you shining it at? Hey, sugar. Let's try the door. Oh, that one's a flashing one. I'll do it again. Turn it back on. Do you know, that's pretty good. Let's go in here. Okay, I'm going to turn it. Wow. So I can see the 3 modes. All right, I'm going to open the back door because it's night here. There we go. And I'm going to put the outside light on so you can see what I'm doing. Ready? That's what happens when you open the door in Missouri. You're in the middle of nowhere. And we got 125 acres here. All right, here we go. You know what? I am impressed. Yeah, it was raining here too. I can see way down the other side. We have a 4-acre yard here. Oh, okay. I don't see anything out there. That's the back of the tractors. There's a lower one. There's your startled one. Okay. So that's pretty darn good. I'm telling you, that's a plus. All right. You can see pretty much anything you want to. Usually out there, you'll see eye lights. The lights of eyes. Yeah, you can see it's raining. Can you see that? Dang, that is so cool. Okay, this is a plus. I really like those tomato plants. This works. That is one good flashlight. And it shows you what everything is going on. Actually, this flashlight, I was reading about it. It says you could drop it 10 feet and it's still going to be okay. In my hands, hang on, just gotta shut the door here. In my hands, it is quite chunky and it's quite hefty too. I mean, if I had to hit something like a possum, it would be no problem. I don't want to go around hitting possums, but I am quite impressed. That's a really good flashlight. That was a really good buy. Let's try that light again in here. Look how bright that is. I mean, you know, That's pretty darn cool. My poor dog. Okay, so I'm getting, there's off. Okay. Here's the first one on. Second one. Third one. And off. Okay. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. That's a big yes for me. I'm real happy with that one. Like I said, it's quite hefty too, and I like the fact that I can power it with a USB port as well as putting the battery in if you put the battery in the right way. So that is a 5-star. I love it, and I'm glad I've got it review for that flashlight.